there. My name is Kristen Evans, and I'm one of the course instructors for Oregon State University's Master Interpretive Guide Certificate Program. And I'm sending this greeting out to you because you've shown some interest in the certificate program, and I'm hoping that this greeting might encourage you to join us for this first rendition of the program. I think you'll find it highly beneficial and hopefully very fun. So some of the benefits that I have seen as we develop this course that will be relevant to you as a professional in the interpretive world are things like building your resume. There will be a lot of outputs from this program that you'll be able to kind of stash away into a portfolio that will benefit you not only as an individual professional, but hopefully your organization as well. And not only will it benefit your organization and the skills that you bring back, but hopefully you'll be able to discuss what you've learned with your peers and grow your team along with yourself. Some of the other benefits that I found is that you'll be developing alongside a community of professionals. So you'll be able to build your community of practice, share some resources, build ideas, kind of learn from each other as well as help each other grow along with the profession, which is also important as we kind of move along and advance the profession of interpretive education as well as communication. And lastly, hopefully you'll find this certificate benefit to you as you're advancing your career. For a lot of us, getting that higher education, the master's or the PhD, just isn't something that we might be able to accomplish at this time, or something that maybe isn't in our future. But having a certificate course, something that gives a stamp of professionalism and recognition from a higher education organization such as Oregon State University, is really important to the organizations that we work for, and hopefully personally for you, it's of benefit. So I hope that this has helped you make some of the decisions to join the certificate program, and we look forward to seeing you.